What's up YouTube? This is Manuel and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're going to be unboxing the Air Jordan 11 Low and Blue Snakeskin colorway. So let's go! Before we continue with this video, I just want to remind everyone that we have an ongoing giveaway for 6 amazing Air Jordan. And the first sneakers that we'll be giving away is the Air Jordan 11 Low IE in Crocs colorway. So guys, we're only about 234 subscribers behind to reach the first milestone. So I hope you help us share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that we can easily reach that milestone and we can give away these sneakers. Air Jordan 11 Low and Blue Snakeskin colorway was originally released in 2001. During that time, it was actually a limited edition and not a lot of people got them. 18 years later, they released these. So I think it's time to open the box. But first of all, I just want to show you, they have change the box from the typical Air Jordan boxes. I'm not sure if you can see, there's a snakeskin print on the box, and of course the silver Jumpman logo. So let's open it. Is. The official name of these sneakers is Air Jordan 11 Retro Low LE. LE stands for limited edition because back in 2011 it was a limited edition. However, I'm not sure if it was a limited edition this time. I like to believe that it's not because I was able to cop a pair on retail. But nonetheless, this is really a nice sneakers. There are two difference that you will notice if you compare this one to the original version. First of all, the original version has a lighter color for the snakeskin compared to this one, and the texture of the original version is more rougher. You can really feel like it's like a snakeskin. However, for this one, it's kind of smoother compared to the original, but you can still feel some texture. Now, the other difference would be the carbon fiber plate in the outsole. As you can see here, it's same as your typical Jordan 11 carbon plate, but the original version actually has a black and navy blue color for the carbon fiber. Now, comparing it to the other Jordan 11 Lows, aesthetically I prefer this one because of the smooth leather that they use on the upper compared to the mesh type material that they normally use for the Jordan 11s. However, the negative or the setback on that is that there's not much of breathability because, as you can see, there's no holes, there's nothing for your foot to breathe when you wear these sneakers. So it comes with your typical round rope laces, similar to the other Jordan 11s, and of course this snake skin that serves as a replacement for the patent leather. At the heel, it's exactly the same with your number 23 on the top and the Jumpman logo over here. Now, the outsole is, honestly, it looks like the same as the outsole of the Concords. There's a few difference, but if you haven't seen if you only look at the outsole, and you haven't seen the upper, you might think that this is Air Jordan Concords. The sizing of these sneakers is true to size, and the retail price is at $185 US. Now, if you ask me, is it worth it? If you're a real collector of Air Jordan sneakers, this is a must-have, because of the quality of the materials that they use on it, and how it looks, and like as I mentioned before, it was a limited edition. So definitely I can bet that all Jordan collectors will have this pair. Personally, I love these sneakers. I like the Air Jordan 11 lows, because compared to the high tops, it's more easier to wear, and easier to match with your clothing. I'm not really into the high tops nowadays because I don't play basketball anymore. However, if for basketball, then of course I'll prefer the high tops. This is more for casual or at leisure look. Now I think it's time for some on-foot action. So guys, did you like how it looked? Let us know in the comment section below if you like to see more of these on-foot actions. As I mentioned earlier, we have an ongoing giveaway for 6 amazing Air Jordans. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Now I'll be flashing all the details and the mechanics for this giveaway. So guys, again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and help us share this video and share our channel so that we can easily reach all the milestones for all the giveaways. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Until next time.